Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about AWS tools for responsible AI. Now, there are a few tools. There's 3 tools specifically you need to know for the exam. And the first one of them is SageMaker Clarify. And keep an eye out for this one because it does come up on the exam quite often. Now, SageMaker Clarify is a tool that provides evaluations of data and models specifically for the following things. First one is bias and imbalance. So it can evaluate your data for bias and imbalance. If you're in the exam, you see imbalanced dataset or biased dataset, then the answer might be related to SageMaker Clarify. Also, you can evaluate your model for bias if it is making predictions with bias. Also, SageMaker Clarify can evaluate your model prediction explainability. So which features are the most important ones, which features are less important, which have the biggest impact on the predictions and things like that. So if you see that on the exam, then the answer again might be SageMaker Clarify. The second tool to keep in mind is SageMaker Model Monitor. Again, it does come up on the exam quite a bit. And what this tool is used for is data quality monitoring in an ongoing way. So SageMaker Clarify can help you evaluate one-off if the data has bias or imbalances and things like that. Whereas SageMaker Model Monitor can do that in an ongoing way to see if there's certain, like if you see on the exam things like data drift, then that might be related to SageMaker Model Monitor because it can find those things. Also model quality monitoring. So is the model predicting as well as it was at the start, as well as it should be, again, in an ongoing way. And model deviation alert and notice. So it can provide alerts when there are certain deviations in the data quality or model quality. And the final third tool is Amazon Augmented AI. Again, this one does come up on the exam. Maybe not as much as the first two, but it still might come up on your exam. And what you need to know here is that it's basically augmenting the review of models with humans added into the equation. So basically a human review of ML predictions. It's a tool that summarizes your models in a human-friendly format so that humans can easily review them. And also it actually even gives you access to an AWS-managed workforce. If you don't want to set up your own team of people to review models, you can leverage an AWS-managed workforce using this tool as well. So there you go. Those are the 3 tools for AWS for responsible AI. You are more than likely, very likely to get at least one of them, most likely 2, and quite frankly, maybe even all 3 of them on the exam. So good to know about all of them. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. And until then, enjoy the cloud.